In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer CapCut video to Google Drive. We'll keep this simple. You'll export your video from CapCut to your computer, then upload that file to Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to Google. From there, open CapCut and load the video project you want to move. If you're using the desktop app, launch it directly. If you're using the web editor, sign in and open your draft. Before anything can go into Drive, the project needs to become a finished file. In CapCut, look for the Export button, usually in the upper right corner. Click Export. You'll see export settings like resolution and frame rate. Choose the options that match where you plan to use the video. Higher resolution looks better, but creates a larger file. Confirm the file name so you can find it easily later. Click Export again to start rendering. CapCut will process your timeline into a single video file. When the export completes, click Download to save the video to your computer. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you recognize, such as Downloads or Videos, and let the download finish completely. Remember, larger videos can take time, so keep the app open and avoid putting your device to sleep. Now, head to Google Drive. Type drive.google.com in the address bar and sign in if needed. In the Drive interface, click New, then choose File Upload. A file picker will open. Navigate to the location where you saved your CapCut export, select the video file, and confirm. You'll see an upload status in the bottom right of Drive. Wait until it shows Upload Complete before closing the tab or shutting your computer. Once it's in Drive, you can preview the video to verify it plays correctly. Google Drive works well with MP4 files exported from CapCut, and it will generate a preview once processing is done. If you plan to share the video, it's now safely stored online and easy to access from any device with your account. As a quick tip, consistent file names make future searches faster, and keeping an eye on your Drive storage ensures large uploads don't fail midway. That's it. You exported from CapCut, downloaded the file, went to Google Drive, clicked New, chose File Upload, and selected your video. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.